Ang ating tinig show ni na Julian San Jose at Stel sold out. At World TV premiere ng Pulang Araw mapaparod na simula mamayang 8 p.m. sa GMA Prime. Narito ang report.
World-class talent ang ipinamalas ni na Asia's Limitless star Julian San Jose at SB19 member Stel sa kanilang 2-day concert nitong weekend. Truly one for the books ang collab concert ng The Voice Kids Philippines coaches. Extra special pa ang ating tinig shows dahil sa special guests, kabilang si OPM icon Gary Valenciano, Raver Cruz at SB19 members Josh and Pablo. All-out din ang support ni Senior Vice President for GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy Oliver Victor Amoroso, at ni Vice President for Musical Variety Specials and Alternative Productions, Entertainment Group, Gigi Santiago Lara. Nakalikom ng donasyon ng concert para sa Operasyon Bayanihan ng GMA Kapuso Foundation. May isa ring jaw-dropping announcement sina Julie at
We are
Stel.
proud to officially introduce the newest coach of The Voice Kids, Pablo!
The chairs are now complete. Si Pablo ang fourth coach na bubuo sa The Voice Kids sa GMA. Thankful daw si Pablo lalo't maibabahagi niya ang kanyang knowledge at talent sa mga bata.